Hello and welcome to 100 News. Today we have Nusrat with us. Nusrat, you just played pickleball. How was it? And what did you like the most about it?
I like the fact that I could play it because there are some sports जो मुझे नहीं आते खेलने और वो बड़े फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग होता है कि नहीं आ रहा भाई ये समझ बट मैं थोड़ा सा बॉल और वो बैट का कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड क्या होते हैं वो कैसे आप शॉट को लेते हो कैसे ड्रॉप के बाद भी आप ले सकते हो और कैसे आप आगे हिट कर सकते हो वो थोड़ा मुझे समझ आया आज तो मुझे अच्छा लगा कि मैं खेल पाई.
How does playing fit into your fitness routine?
Playing any sport?
Yeah.
You mean? इट फिट्स इन बिकॉज बचपन से पापा ने मेरे को बेड से निकाल के एक कोर्ट पे या कहीं तो डाला हुआ है कि कुछ तो खेलो कुछ नहीं तो भागो बट सम स्पॉट यू नीड टू प्ले सो आई हैव प्लेड बैडमिंटन ग्रोइंग अप ऑल माई लाइफ एंड अदर स्पॉट्स दैट माई फादर मेक्स मी प्ले.
Pickleball is a trending game as of now. Would you like to pick it up as a hobby?
Yeah, I would try. I mean, today when I tried it, I had fun. So yeah, sure, I would.
If you would have to choose a celebrity pickup ball, while playing a partner, who would you choose and why?
Celebrity pickleball partner.
Yeah, like while you are playing, and you need to choose a partner.
I think I'll pick somebody who is a friend. So I'll say my co-actor Ishita क्योंकि मज़ा आएगा उसके साथ खेलने में. उसको भी नहीं आता मुझे भी नहीं आता बेस्ट है. दोनों सेम बोट में रहेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा.
What do you think? What is more difficult, being on a Bollywood set for a movie or being opposite in the pickleball court?
Playing any sport live is definitely tougher because you don't get a retake. फिल्म सेट पे आप रीटेक्स कर सकते हो ना नहीं अच्छा हो तो एक और करेंगे यहाँ थोड़ा पॉइंट गया तो गया. मैं थोड़ा ना मिड वे का एक सेकंड दोबारा करते हैं ऐसे नहीं होता ना. सो दिस इज टफर फॉर श्योर.
Okay, pickleball is also known for being a fun cardio workout. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I guess I do agree. Any sport is a fun cardio workout. In fact, there are days when my trainer tells me let's play a game and not do cardio. So then I go on the court and I play badminton, of course.
Apart from this pickleball, any upcoming project that you would like to share with the viewers?
Oh, I don't know what's going to release next, but Chori 2 just came out this year. That's the one that's been the most proud and most rewarding as of now. अगली तो पता नहीं कब रिलीज करेंगे. प्रोड्यूसर जाने यार.
Also, Nusrat, we have seen your relation with Paparazzi, and recently Jaya Bachchan has commented on that. Would you like to, would you like to comment on that?
यार हर इंसान की ना अलग I feel like they come from a different life. That was her life and her experience and this is my life and my experience. तो honestly मैं उस point पे कि उन्होंने क्या बोला उस पे comment तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ. मैं अपना कह सकती हूँ कि जब से मैं इंडस्ट्री में आई हूँ they've always been around. I have not seen a time in an industry where the Paps have not been there. तो मेरे लिए एक नॉर्मल सी है कि वो होते ही हैं. But I can tell you even this in social media, Instagram, in anything that has power, even in films. अगर कुछ अच्छा है तो कुछ बुरा भी है. तो I feel वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमें रखनी चाहिए. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उन्हें भी रखनी चाहिए कि एक लाइन होती है उस लाइन को आप मेंटेन रखो. I truly believe that. But that's again now.
Okay.
We have to go through the fire to be able to come on the other side. So I guess that's what we're doing.
Okay, just one last question. Tomorrow is the finale. What would you like to wish to all the players?
I would definitely. I'm giving my luck to Mumbai and going. Today they've shown that they can do it even when they were last. So I hope tomorrow they win, and or at least they gave it a very strong fighting to the opposition. And yeah.
Well, thank you so much for speaking with 100 News.